In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play the game Terraria on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So what you need to do is open your Google browser. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, then we need to locate this game at Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So what we need to do is open Steam, then search for the game Terraria, and as you can see it's over here. So open the page and scroll a little bit down, and this game is starting at €9.75. But we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and once you have done that you will be redirected to this site. Now search for the same game, Terraria, and after that select games on the left side. Now you need to sort it by price lowest first. And as you can see, the first one which can be activated in our country is this one. And this game is already available at €2.73. So that is a lot cheaper than the €9.75. Once you have decided to buy this game, buy it over here and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps, including a activation key for Steam to download this game on Steam, but much cheaper. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!